Wrap. To cover something completely with paper or cloth. Example, she wrapped the gift with colorful paper. Lift. To raise something to a higher position. Example, he lifted the heavy box onto the table. Spin. To turn around quickly. Example, the dancer spins gracefully on stage. Bite. To use your teeth to cut into something. Example, he bites into the juicy apple. Knock. To hit something, like a door, to make a sound. Example, she knocked on the door to get attention. Dust. To remove dirt from a surface. Example, he dusts the bookshelf with a cloth. Scrub. To rub something hard with a brush or cloth. Example, she scrubs the floor to clean it. Slip. To lose balance and slide unintentionally. Example, he slipped on the wet floor. Fall. To drop down suddenly. Example, the leaves fall from the tree in autumn. Tiptoe. To walk quietly on your toes. Example, she tiptoes across the room to avoid waking the baby. Scratch. To rub something with your nails. Example, the cat scratches the couch. Trip. To stumble or fall because you hit something. Example, he tripped over the toy on the floor. Serve. To give food or drink to someone. Example, she serves dinner to her family. Yawn. To open your mouth wide when tired. Example, he yawns after a long day at work. Yell. To shout loudly. Example, she yells for help in an emergency. Wash. To clean something with water and soap. Example, he washes his hands before eating. Eat. To put food into your mouth and chew. Example, they eat lunch together at noon. Jump. To push yourself off the ground and into the air. Example, the dog jumps to catch the ball. Walk. To move forward on foot. Example, she walks to school every morning. Run. To move quickly on foot. Example: he runs fast in the race. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.